Okay, today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite Zippos. Now this one arrived in the normal black box, but it also had the protective sleeve. And it says diamond plate flag. It also says diamond plate flag on the box. And this is a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. It's got the normal box insert, made in the USA, with the Zippo logo. Now this is the diamond plate, and you can see it's a two-part plate that's been glued on, nice and thick. It's got good texture to it. It doesn't have that normal Zippo musical note type sound when you open it. And that's because of the plate that's glued on. It fires up really good. That steel insert. Now this one was made in, looks like J of 17, which is about October of 17, and you can see the really good stampings. Bradford, PA, made in USA. That's a nice one. Let's do a drop test on this. See if these plates stay on. Stayed lit, but let's try it again. Okay, there's the drop test with the steel plate. Or the diamond plate with Old Glory. Now Zippo makes quite a few of these flag Zippos. There's a couple of them. So it's going to go right there until I figure out where to put it. And you got to give this one a lot of cowbell. Knuckle bump.